go to the 3D view. So these are the files. Let's move this file to the side, MV. And let's copy the family. Okay, escape. Now put in the realistic shading mode. Okay, you can see the material applied. And now let's see the difference, what happens when you change the type. So if you click in this family here and go to edit type, let's change the overhang. Okay, so if you click on the overhang, let's change to 100. And then if you click apply, can you notice you only selected one, but both changed because they are the same type. So this is the difference when you have a type parameter. If you change anything on the type, all the instances of the same type will change. Let's click OK. And now the difference for the instance parameter. If you click here in this instance, and then let's change the seat, click here, open the material browser, let's select laminate, OK. Then you can see it only changed this instance because this is an instance parameter. It doesn't change the other instance. So anything you change here in the properties on the instance parameters, it doesn't change the other instances. Everything you change on the type parameters, it changes in all the types with the same name. You can create more materials directly here on this Revit file. Just click on your family and open the material browser with the same step-by-step we did previously. And if you need to create more parameters, you can edit the family here. Just be mindful, this family is the one you created before. Even when you insert on a Revit file, it keeps a link. So if you don't want to change your original file, make a copy first.